This is part 4 to fishing for firearms in the Jordan. Roger Lee Baker Jr. did an open records request on April 22, 2014, to which the Legal Services Special Agent Lisa Harris to the GBI responded on May 7, 2014 that the information you have requested is not on record that is prepared and maintained or received in the course of the operation of the GBI. On October 24, 2014, Christopher DeMarco, Assistant Special Agent in Charge, sent a response to the second open records request submitted by Roger Lee Baker Jr. on October 20, 2014, stating that he had found 6 reports in the file. The question is, why did the Legal Services Agent Lisa Harris state there was nothing on record, and 5 months later, Christopher DeMarco stated that there were, and returned those reports to Roger Lee Baker Jr.? Did the Legal Services Agent lie? If so, why would she lie? Roger Lee Baker Jr., as well as our team, believes that the Georgia Bureau of Investigation was trying to cover for their own, knowing that they had framed Roger Lee Baker Jr. More importantly, why were these reports not in the case file, nor were they available at trial? Upon receiving these documents, Roger Lee Baker Jr., as well as did we, found a litany of reports that would discredit the entire narrative that these GBI agents had created, and that it would also prove that not only did Catherine Jordan perjure herself, but also that she falsified government documents and lied about the tests she performed and when she performed them. Exhibit I shows a conversation that occurred between Mark Post, the prosecutor for the state, and Catherine Jordan on April 10, 2008. Mark Post left a message for Catherine Jordan to take a look at the victim's clothing to determine if gunpowder was present for a distance determination. Catherine Jordan then called Mark Post to inform him that chemical tests indicated 2 GP particulates on the victim's clothing. I also told him I was done with the weapon and the 3 cartridges submitted with the weapon, and had determined that firearm would stop depositing at a distance of 42 inches. After informing ADA Post of this finding and distance determination, I told him the results would not be final until peer-reviewed. If you look at the top of this page, her software date stamps this conversation. You will see that this activity happened on 4/14/2008. You will see that she strikes through the date of the conversation record from 4/10/2008 to 4/3/2008, a week earlier. You will also see that she struck through the date that calls took place and changed their dates to a week earlier as well, changing April 10th, 2008 to April 3rd, 2008, and then changing April 11th, 2008 to April 4th, 2008. We will show you that she changed this conversation record to make it appear as though she had already performed these tests, that she had just sworn under oath on April 9, 2008 she had already performed, and we will use her own reports that were returned via that open records request answered by Christopher DeMarco. Stay tuned for part 5 of Fishing for Firearms in the Jordan.